With rampant inflation and soaring interest rate continuing to take a toll on the economy, dividend stocks are garnering a lot of traction. Investors are going for dividend stocks to weather the ongoing market downturn. However, dividend stocks are of various kinds, and identifying the best suited ones is essential. Most companies pay dividends on a quarterly basis, while some do on a biannual basis. There are others that give out dividends every month. Monthly dividend stocks are a great source of recurring passive income. In contrast to traditional quarterly or semi-annual dividend payers, monthly dividends have a much greater appeal. The frequent payouts of these stocks are usually better aligned with numerous regular bills, helping investors offset expenses. Thus, here we have compiled a list of the top 5 monthly dividend stocks to own in 2023, and reap monthly returns. The first stock on our list for today is traded fund Pennant Park Floating Rate Capital Limited, with the ticker symbol, PFLT. It is a non-diversified investment management company. Moreover, Pennant Park invests in middle-market companies based in the US, within a broad range of sectors. It makes secondary direct, debt, equity, and loan investments. While the company generally invests in US companies, occasionally, it also invests in non-US companies. Its strategy involves aiming for companies that are not rated by national rating agencies. The BDC started paying out dividends in 2016, and has continued its payouts since then. It currently pays a monthly dividend of $0.095 per share. Its dividend yield is 10.04% as of November 23, 2022. The company recently declared its financial results for its fiscal fourth quarter and full year 2022. Its net investment income was $12.7 million in the quarter, and $48.6 million for the full year. The quarterly and annual net investment income per share came at 29 cents, and $1.18 respectively. Furthermore, the company invested $54.7 million in 5 new and 25 existing portfolio companies in the quarter. Its overall portfolio comprises 125 companies, with an average investment size of $9.3 million. Luckily for investors, Pennant Park, as a business development company, pays out virtually all of its profits through monthly dividends. And with a price per share that is down over 10% year to date, Pennant Park is one of the best monthly dividend stocks to own as this year ends. Coming next is also a business development company focused on the US, Prospect Capital. Trading under the ticker symbol, PSEC, the company lends to and invests in private businesses. It focuses both on direct lending to owner-operated companies and sponsor-backed transactions. While Prospect Capital's primary investment is in debt and loans, it occasionally goes for equity investments as well. Since 2004, the company has invested $19.6 billion across 403 investments and exited 274 of these. Moreover, its total investment income has seen a compound annual growth rate of 6.8% over the past 3 fiscal years. At the end of its fiscal quarter ended September 30, 2022, Prospect Capital had investments in 128 long-term portfolio transactions. These investments had a fair value of $7.58 million at the end of the quarter. The basic net investment income came at 22 cents per share, against the comparable 20 cents. Prospect Capital currently has a dividend yield of 9.8%, and offers a monthly dividend of 6 cents per share. Including the latest dividend payouts, the company has distributed roughly $3.8 billion to its shareholders since its inception in 2004. In short, it is one of the best and highest paying monthly dividend stocks worth buying for 2023. Before we move on to the next stock, we'd like you to know that we offer a morning newsletter to our email subscribers. Prior to the market opening, we send our subscribers an informative email about which stocks are moving, or about to move. You will get an overview of key earnings reports, recent insider transactions, analyst upgrades, and downgrades. To take advantage of this offer, you can find the link in the description box. If you're still with us, it means you've liked our video. Do click on the like button to show your support. The next stock on our list is the US-based real estate investment trust, SL Green Realty Corporation, represented by the ticker symbol, SLG. This REIT primarily invests in office buildings and shopping centers in New York. It is the largest office landlord in New York City, with 62 buildings spanning 33.6 million square feet. The company has signed 1.9 million square feet of office leases in 2022 so far, keeping its portfolio well occupied at 92%. To mitigate the impacts of inflation and hedge against the interest rates, SL Green initiated a strategy of corporate interest rate swaps and cap contracts. Additionally, it also plans to pay off its debt through asset sales as it matures. In the latest quarterly results, the company came out with a net income of 11 cents per share, which exceeded analysts' expectations. Furthermore, the funds from operations were $114.2 million, resulting in $1.67 FFO per share. The company has been growing its dividend payouts consistently, with an increase of 8.1% over the past 5 years, in its annual dividend. As of November 2022, its dividend yield is 9.18%, and has declared a dividend of $0.3108 per share for the month. Therefore, SL Green also makes its place in our top monthly dividend stocks. Moving on, we have an investment management company based in the US, Stellus Capital Investment Corporation. Known by the ticker symbol, SCM, Stellus Capital is an externally managed, non-diversified company. It invests in low and middle market companies mostly. The company's investment objective is maximizing the total return to stockholders. In the quarter that ended September 2022, the company expanded its portfolio to $872 million at fair value, while maintaining asset quality. Moreover, the rising interest rates have played in its favor, by adding 140 basis points to its loan portfolio, against the previous quarter. Additionally, the total investment income went up by 18.3% year-over-year, to $20.1 million. The net investment income per share was 37 cents, well above the expected. Stellus Capital currently has a dividend yield of 8.12% as of November 23, 2022. It pays a monthly dividend of $0.0933 per share presently. Furthermore, the company keeps on giving out special dividends as well. Hence, with a stable portfolio, rising investment income, and added special dividends, Stellus Capital is also one of the best monthly stocks to own in 2023. The last stock on our list is an internally managed REIT based in the US, Generation Income Properties. Trading under the ticker symbol, GIPR, the company is focused on acquiring and managing retail, office, and industrial properties. Its portfolio consists of properties across the US, that are mainly occupied by investment-grade credit tenants. After having a rough patch during the pandemic, the company recently went on an acquisition spree, to enhance its financial standing and increase its core FFO. For the quarter that ended September 30, 2022, the company's core FFO was 14 cents per share. Revenue from operations improved by 43% year-over-year, to $1.5 million. This increase was primarily driven by property acquisitions. Moreover, net operating income went up by 44%, to $1.2 million. The REIT ended the quarter with $2.6 million in cash and cash equivalents. Its total mortgage loans amounted to over $35.4 million. Generation Income Properties has a dividend yield of 9.35%, as of November 23, 2022. It currently pays a dividend of $0.039 per share. With a price that is down nearly 15% year to date, Generation Income Properties presents a good entry point currently. It is for sure a monthly dividend stock worth considering for your 2023 investment portfolio. This brings us to the end of our today's video. We hope that the insight we aspired to provide you have been of meaningful value to you. Hopefully, it will help you in optimizing your investment portfolio for greater passive income. We would love to hear your thoughts on our list in the comments section below. If you would like to know about other such opportunities and different stocks for different strategies, check out our website, stockstelegraph.com.